All right, here we go. New inventory, fresh in 2017 Chevy Express Explorer handicap wheelchair conversion van. Does have a side entry wheelchair lift, power side entry doors, driver's side transfer seat. 96,000 original miles. We bought it from the original owner. It is a rust-free van, clean title, clean Carfax. Shows one minor incident on the Carfax. We have that available. Other than that, perfect van, good shape, really clean, loaded out to the gills with every option. TV, entertainment, rear power folding bench seat bed, two-tone leather, sunroof, power side entry doors, 20-inch wheels. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, happy to help. I'll give you the full tour here. I'll point out any extra flaws I can find. Really, really nice, clean van. Couple little bug chips in the hood. The body is very straight. Beautiful black paint. Really, really nice. Power folding bench seat. Does have the original owner's manuals, the original floor mats, all two-tone leather, power folding bed, like I said. It's got all your LED lighting. We specialize in these. Give us a call, shoot us a text, 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, Boca Raton, Florida. You know where to find us. It's what we do. We specialize in these. We've been in business since 1977, 47 years. Happy to help at any time. Everything is working and functioning. The wheelchair lift is 600-pound capacity. Does have a 6-way transfer seat. That seat is removable. The previous owner, who's the original owner, he did not use that seat ever, never once. It just came with the van, so he had it in his garage. It will come with the van. It is brand new. There's your back seat, which you already saw. Got your beautiful LED lighting in the roof. Brand new TV. The previous owner also told me he never used that either. Super nice. Tires are fair, they're usable, they're not brand new, they're in decent shape. Really nice on the outside. Beautiful leather inside. I mean, everything is really nice condition, non-smoker, no warning lights on. You got your left side hand controls as well. You can see 96,407 miles. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. It does have a Sony head unit there. No navigation, but it does have backup camera, cold air, hot heat. Everything works. Got your sunroof here. Pretty nice condition. There's not much to point out. I mean, it's very, very nice. There's a couple little spots on the interior that the previous owner would bang into with his wheelchair, but that's about it. I'm going to show you how all the equipment works here. Give us a call, give us a like, give us a follow. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. This still has the original plastic on it, by the way. So, you can see. Show you this transfer seat here. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. As you can see, transfer seat. Everything works and functions the way it's supposed to. Don't hesitate to give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499. There's no rust on this van. Runs and drives perfectly. Happy to help at any time. Come see us, come check us out. If you want to make an appointment and come check it out, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We're easy to find. We're happy to help with any needs you might have. Got a remote control. Previous owners, I don't have a magnet to show, but there's a magnetic strip here for the operation of the wheelchair lift as well. demonstrate that in another video. Super easy setup. Awesome van. It is a 2017 Chevy Express 2500 series Explorer conversion, top of the line. In and done. Beautiful condition. Give us a call at 954-561-2499, Supreme Motors. Give us a like, give us a follow. We're happy to help at any time. Beautiful black, full size, gorgeous, gorgeous van. No rust whatsoever. I'm going to show you the frame here. You can see the tire condition here. They're not brand new, but they're pretty good. Try to disclose everything on all of our vehicles. As you can see, the frame is in great shape. We didn't undercoat it or anything, so that's just the way it is. The side moldings have a little bit of peeling on them, which is normal for these Explorer vans, but that's about it. Just the little chrome strips, but other than that, this thing is pretty immaculate inside and out. If you have any specific questions, or if there's anything we can help with, just give us a call, 954-561-2499, or send us a text. Happy to talk to you anytime. You see the water there, that water is from the AC system. This van has been parked and running here for about 30 minutes while we do pictures and videos. So just want you to know. Anyway, happy to help at any time. As for Jeff or Ken, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. 47 years, we accept trades and we can ship anywhere in the world. Thank you.